Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Here we have an alphabet. Today we will play with the alphabet. So let's get started. Don't forget to like and subscribe our video. So let's get started. Our first letter is A. Yes, this one is A. A is for apple. A is for apple. Next is B. Where is B? Is it a B? Yes, B. B for ball. C. C is for cat. C for cat. D. D for dog. Next is E. E is for elephant. F. F for frog. F is for frog. Then G. G is for goat. G is for goat. H. Where is H? Here. H for horse. H is for horse. I. I for ice cream. I is for ice cream. J. J for juice. J is for juice. K. K for kite. K is for kite. L. Where is L? Yeah. L for lamp. L for lamp. M. Where is M? Yes, this one is M. M for monkey. N. N for net. O. O is for orange. O is for orange. P. P for peacock. P is for peacock. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rabbit. S for sheep. T for top. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V. V for van. V for van. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Y for yak. And Z. Z for zebra. Thank you so much kids. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Bye bye.